Hi everyone, in this video we help you to learn how to update notes for an existing remainder in Computersatc software. Open Computersatc software using username and password. In Computersatc dashboard, you will see Enquiries on the left side menu. Click Enquiry, then click on Enquiries. Now Enquiries page will display. Choose Department, Course and Day. Now Enquiry list will display. For an example, I am going to update remainder notes for candidate Suresh. For that, click View button. Now click Update Remainder Notes. Now enter the remainder message in the remainder notes. Then click Update. Now the remainder is updated for the candidate